Hi there, welcome back to this channel. Today you're going to see the simplest way to apply for your second and subsequent help loans without using the Helb app. My name is Levis from Lemoon and I'll be taking you through this tutorial. Let's begin. Well, we all understand that previously one could have applied for his second subsequent loan through their help portal. You download the form and then take the form to any Huduma center for submission. But since the COVID-19 pandemic began and the government gave out some restrictions, Help saw it wise to roll out a different way of doing the subsequent loan application. So the first thing it launched out was the Helb app, which uh, which is the help to help students avoid congesting at Huduma centers for form submission. So to use this app, you are supposed to log in using some credentials as usual, and then access the subsequent loan page as well as your details. Unfortunately, this app has developed a lot of errors, which has made it inefficient to use. It is only helpful to smartphone users alone. But Help has rolled out another way, that is the USSD code, which is star 642 hash, and it is really helpful, and it is what we are going to discuss about it. Now, the first thing you do is to go to the phone, type in star 642 hash using your Safaricom line, and it must be a Safaricom SIM card. After doing that, you click call. You will be brought to this page. Now this page is for those who have already used this USSD code, but if you are not used before, you will be asked to create your PIN and password, your ID and password. Now after doing that, we are going now to log in by clicking option 1. We are going to click now option 1 to log in. Once you have completed creating your PIN and password, we click option 1. We put your PIN to proceed. Now you put your PIN and then you proceed. In this page we have loan application, disbursement, total payment, change PIN. Now we are interested in option number 1, that is loan application. Subsequent loan 2021 loan application status. We are going to click option 1, that is subsequent loan 2020-2021. Okay, again, so here Help will ask you to visit their portal to read the terms, which I know you will not do it, but please don't choose option 2 because you'll mess up everything. Now let's choose option 1. We accept the terms and conditions as required by Help. That's option 1, and then we proceed. Here you will be required to verify your phone number for Safaricom lines only. So to verify your phone number, choose option 1. Okay, let's see. So here you will be required to pay 1 shilling to the pay bill 200-800. Account number is your ID. We go to M-Pesa, Lipa na M-Pesa, pay bill, enter your business number, which is 200-800, enter amount, that is 1 shilling, then your ID number as your account number. Then we wait for this verification message. After receiving that verification message, we are going back to back to our USSD, and then we repeat the procedure that we had repeated. We log in, we input our password, you put your PIN, loan application, option 1. And then we go to subsequent loan 2020-2021. We accept the terms and conditions as well, option 1. So after accepting the terms, you will be brought to this page, and here you will be asked to request for the loan. Now we click option 1, to request now for the loan because they have verified our phone number. Let's click option 1. Okay, you put your PIN and then you send. So there you will receive a notification message from Helb telling you that you have already applied for your loan. Yeah, you receive a message. Let's view the message now. Okay, you can see now here we have the message with the serial numbers. Now keep the serial number, and then that is it. You have now finished the application. Was it simple? Of course, yes. So if this video really made you enjoy, please also make me enjoy the way you have enjoyed this video by just subscribing to this channel, like and comment, as well as don't forget to share with your friends also. So thank you for watching this video. Let us meet in the next video. Goodbye.